In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a landscape material into a multi-index material using functionality that's included with the plugin. So if I go and click on the landscape, we have the landscape material right here. You search it and it takes you here. You should be able to do this with any landscape material. Then we're going to go to Voxel and we're going to create a new Voxel landscape material collection. MC landscape, and we're going to open that up. Now we're just going to drag in the instance we're using, and then you get this message down on the right that asks you to fix it. You're going to click fix now, and then it will create the layers here. So now that's set up. I just have an empty voxel world right here. Let's change it to erosion, and then I'm just going to drag our material collection in after we switch it to multi-index. Okay, now we're going to go to voxels, surface, and then I'm going to turn on paint and turn off sculpt. And if we paint now, we get our other material. I think we just don't have a multi-index set up in the generator, just because I'm using an example one. If I switch it to IQ noise, you can see that this one doesn't have the same black terrain all over.